Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this Selenium interview question series. In this video, I will cover some basics questions or questions which are asked for fresher level. So let's start. So first is, what are the testing types that are supported by Selenium? So basically Selenium supports only regression testing and functional testings. So for regression testing and functional testing, we can go for Selenium tool. Next one is, why Selenium is widely used testing tool. Give reasons. Or in another words, what are the advantages of Selenium tool, or what are the features that are supported by Selenium. So first is, it is an open source tool. Next is, it is simple to use because it is mostly created in JavaScript. Next one, our test cases we can execute in different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, or many more browsers. So like this way we can achieve cross-browser testing, or we can execute single script on multiple browsers, and this can be achieved by using Selenium tool. Next one is, it supports different languages, means we can write our test script in any language like Java, Python, C Sharp, then Ruby, PHP. So like this, any language we can use for writing our script. Next one is, it supports different platforms, means we can execute our script on different platforms like Windows, Linux. So like this operating system that can be supported in Selenium. Next one is, for test management, Selenium can be easily integrated with JUnit or TestNG. This is in case of Java, and in terms of Python, we can integrate easily with PyTest as well. So we have seen what are the advantages or features of the Selenium. Next one is, what are the limitations of Selenium. So first one is, lack of dependable tech help. As Selenium is open source tool, so if we face any challenge or any problem, then there is a no dedicated team which will support like other licensed softwares, as there are dedicated resources or dedicated team for support. So this is not a case in case of Selenium. Next one is, it tests only web application. Means yeah, Selenium can test only web application. For validating or for testing desktop or mobile application, Selenium have to connected or integrated with third-party technologies like APM or test engines. Next one is, image testing has little supports. Next is, Selenium lacks an integrated reporting and test management capability. Means Selenium don't have inbuilt report facility, and also lack of capabilities for test management as well. So for that we have to integrate Selenium with TestNG or JUnit or PyTest. Next is, it's possible to need programming language knowledge. Means if we want to use Selenium as a automation tool, we must know either of the programming language like Java, C Sharp, or Python, or any languages that can be that is supported by Selenium. So this is a prerequisite. So these are the limitations of Selenium. Next one is, what are the Selenium suite component. So Selenium is composed of four components like Selenium IDE, remote control for Selenium, or we can say RC, Selenium RC. Next one is WebDriver for Selenium and Selenium Grid. So these are the four components, and that makes Selenium suite. So first one, Selenium IDE. So basically this Selenium IDE, it is a plugin for Firefox or a Chrome browser, and it acts like a record and playback. Means it records users activity which are performed on the web browsers, and it is exported into the script that can be played again and again whenever necessary. So this is a Selenium IDE. Next one is remote control for Selenium, or in another word we can say as a RC, Selenium RC. So this Selenium RC, it is like a server and client. Means user can write their test script in any language, and this test script, it acts like a command to the server. Here server accepts the commands from the test script and send them as a Selenium core JavaScript command to the browser, and then browser act according to the command. So it acts like a server client architecture, or server is having command for the client. Next one is a WebDriver for Selenium. This is an advanced version of RC only. So in RC, there is a server and client, but here in WebDriver, it is like an interface, and it directly interact with the browsers. As it is an interface, so it is directly interacting with the web browsers. And last one is Selenium Grid. So this Selenium grids, if we want to execute our test script in multiple browser, or if we want to achieve parallel execution, then in that case we can go for Selenium grid. Next one is, what is the difference between driver.close and driver.quit? So these are the two methods, close and quit. So basically these two methods, these are used to close the browser. Suppose in application multiple windows are open. So in that case, if we say driver.close, then it will close only current window. But if we say driver.quit, then it will quit all the browsers, or it will close all the browsers. So that is the difference. Means both the methods, it will close the browser, but driver.close, it will close current window. Driver.quit, it will close all the windows. So that is the difference. Next one is, mention the types of web locators, or we can say how to locate the web element in Selenium. In Selenium, there are 8 types of locators are available. So these are ID, name, class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, then XPath and CSS selector. So these are the 8 locators are available in Selenium, through which we can locate particular web element. Next one is, what are the types of weights that are supported by WebDriver? In Selenium, basically there are 3 types of weights are available: implicit weight, explicit weight and fluent weight. So this implicit weight, we can say this as a static weight also, and this is applied throughout the script. So means once we are declaring implicit weight, then it is applied throughout the script. And if we are not defining, then by default its value is 0. By using implicit weight, it will wait till the time we are mentioning in that implicit weight before throwing no such element exception. It will try to find the web element for the time mentioned, and if element is not there, then it will throw no such element exceptions. Next one is explicit weight. Explicit weight, here implicit weight it is applied throughout the script, but here explicit weight and fluent weight, these are applied as per the conditions, or it is a customized. So it will instruct the web driver to wait before throwing web element not visible exception under specific circumstances. And fluent wait, it will tell the web driver how long to wait for a condition to occur, as well as how often to check the condition before raising element not visible exceptions. And next question is, what are the different navigation commands in Selenium? In Selenium, there are driver.refresh, driver.back and driver.forward. These are the navigation commands are available. Driver.refresh, it will refresh the page. Driver.back, it will navigate page back, and driver.forward, it will navigate forward. Next one is, how does synchronization work in Selenium? This question is same like, what are the wait statement in Selenium? So its answer is both implicit wait and explicit wait. These are used for synchronization. So that's all from today's video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.